Hi all. As usual, nice warm coffee. You can't wait until life isn't hard anymore before you choose to be happy. That is a very profound quote of a young girl who unfortunately is no longer with us, a beautiful singer by the name of Nightbirde Marczewski, aka Nightbirde. So what are we waiting for? Waiting is not going to fix anything. It is not going to help you. So many people are waiting for the market, for the prices to drop. They're waiting for their salaries to increase. They're waiting for money to come in. They're waiting for whatever circumstances in their own personal life need to change. Well, if you wait, life is just going to get in the way. And when you look again, property prices will be way out of control, way beyond what you can afford. If your intention is there and you really want to invest, even if you feel things are not right or you might not be able to do it, you can. You can make a plan and buy within your budget. And if you really can't even do that, buy with some friends. But it is all about intention. In property, to look back and wish you would have, should have, could have is not going to help you. Time in the market is way better than timing in the long run. Create your wealth through time in the market. Happy investing.